I want to share something we see all the time. A student comes in and when asked to write a composition, they manage just 3 or 4 lines. It's repetitive, simple, and they don't know how to expand their ideas. Parents feel stuck because at home, coaching only ends up with frustration. But after structured guidance and practice, the same child can write a full page with a proper plot, vivid details, and a strong ending. The difference isn't magic, it's method. And that's exactly why we created our Writing Masterclass. This program helps kids from primary 3 to 6 transform their writing from struggling to confidently expressing their thoughts. It's not just about exam scores. Writing builds imagination, thinking, and self-expression. And when a child finds their voice in writing, it carries over into everything else: reading, speaking, and even confidence in class. We're launching this December. Give your child the gift of expression. Hello to our Writing Masterclass,
where every child learns to shine, building confident learners one nugget at a time.